I'm going to share with you the only lesson you ever need to make money predictably for the rest of your life. And that lesson is to see capitalism or money making skills as a degree that you graduate from. What does it mean? Let me explain. If you want to become an engineer, the only short way to become an engineer or getting an engineering job is to graduate from a university for a 4-year bachelor's program in electrical, mechanical, civil, or whatever engineering. And same goes for economics, accounting, arts, and so on. But when it comes to money, somehow you think that the day you decide to make money, you should be able to make money next month, next year, which is so stupid that it's almost laughable. Because money making skills or capitalism is not more or less difficult than all of these sciences and maths and all these disciplines. But it is as difficult. So give yourself 4 years to graduate from. And how do you do that? You use this 4 years as semesters in which you do freelancing and internships and jobs and sales and build businesses and online brands and even work for free just from the perspective of learning. These are assignments, these are projects that you're doing, and I am giving you my word that 4 years from now, if you invest in your understanding of money making skills, you will be at such a level that it will be so difficult to not make money. You will be a money making machine.